Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add services to a Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and you simply need to log in into your account. Once you're done that, you simply need to select your page and then you need to click on about and scroll down, and here you can see a tab of add services. Click on that. So here you can see that you can add the services that are already here, but if you want to add a different service, so how you can add that, you simply need to click on Meta Business Suite. Here you need to click on all tools, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see sell products and services. Then you need to click on services. So click on add a service. So here you can add a different service. You can add photo, you can add description about your service, you can add price, you can add duration, and put out book block out extra time. You can add that as well, and then you need to click on add service. So this is the process by which you can add services to our Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.